Do you know there is a built-in video assistant feature that can enhance your viewing experience on your Samsung Internet app? Well, Video Assistant provides enhanced video controls in the Internet app on your Samsung phone. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable or disable the Video Assistant on Samsung Internet. So, without any delay, let's get started. Open the Internet browser app on your Samsung phone, tap the three-dot menu icon, usually in the bottom right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll down and find the Useful Feature section. After that, tap on it. Here you will find the Video Assistant feature. Tap it to enable or disable the feature according to your preference. And that's all for today, guys. Now you know how to enable or disable the Video Assistant feature on Samsung Internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.